Or, yun na, kung lalaki ka talaga, suntukan tayo. Hindi naman kita hinamon. Sinabi ko talaga, pag nagsuntukan tayo, bobogbog kita. Hindi kita hinamon, tanga. You're just as stupid as the journalist that asked you. Sige. Mo.
Tama.
I think, klaro, no? That's your condition also kasi nag-set din siya ng condition.
Hindi naman pwede one-sided. Di ba? Ano to eh?
Both sides.
This is entertainment, you know. O, sige, sakyan ko yung smoke screen nyo sa real issues about the GAA, the PhilHealth, and yung recent visit ni Marcos na 1% na china-champion niya ngayon. Sige. Pero yun ang request ko. Hair follicle drug test for all elected officials, including the President himself. Tubag! Ayaw, Sunday. Naku, lakaw. Sa mangka. May ano ako. It's a family day. It's a family day.
Tuesday or Wednesday, Mayor, next week.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. He can take the time that he needs. You know?
Basta weekday.
Yun nga, so I think, you know, what's really interesting here, Mayor, ba? This discussion about the boxing match came out of the blue. All of a sudden, pinag-usapan. Isipin mo, mas pinag-usapan pa sa SONA. So, I think people are more interested dito sa boxing match kaysa sa paparating na SONA.
You know, kaya nga, it's a classic move of mainstream media to make smoke screen or diversionary issues, you know, so that people will turn their attention to other things.